Hello, Mut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm back with a napkin journal and I'll quickly show you my napkin journal that I create myself and I keep them in a traveler's notebook cover. And Today I have a very colorful napkin with parrots and I'm going to complement it with these beautiful flowers. Thanks to all my crafty friends who send me napkins. I always say thank you when I'm using a napkin sent by my friends from all over the world. Now I'm going to rip off some parts of the napkin to create a nice jungle scenery. You can also combine a couple of napkins or even more to create a scenery. I have a lot of fun matching napkins and bringing them together on the same page. So I took these flowers thinking they match in color with my parrot and the jungle scene. So I'm going to rip off a couple of flowers, colorful flowers to use with this beautiful parrot. I will also put the link down below where I show how I create my own napkin journals. I use mixed media paper or watercolor paper, which are thick to take water and paint, and I just cut them in sizes that I want and staple them in the middle, so it's pretty easy. But I will put the link down below anyway for you to see. I just glued down my napkin with my matte medium and I go over the napkin as well just to make it easy to apply paint over that so it becomes non-porous. I'm using my Dilutions paints in different shades of green. My objective is to complete this scenery with it to make it look like a jungle, like a rainforest jungle, using this stencil. So I'm not going to paint all over, but I'm going to use this stencil with different shades of green to make it look like it's a busy jungle with large leaves, let's say. And this stencil is from Dilutions, but it was from years and years ago. One of the first stencils I ever bought for myself. So I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's from Dilutions. I'm using a sponge and dabbing it over my stencil. I'm not moving it up and down, I'm just dabbing it so that the paint doesn't seep under the stencil. That's what you need to be careful. And also I'm not putting so much paint on my sponge. You can use a makeup sponge, dishwasher sponge, whichever sponge you want. I think mine is a makeup sponge. I brought many other colors in, by the way. I'm using turquoise from Dilutions again, and I'm using blue from Arteza, and there's a green from Arteza too. I have a discount code for Arteza, so I'm going to put the link down below. Their craft paints are amazing for mixed media, so I'm going to put that and all other paints that you can buy from them, and the code is relevant for all products, so you can buy whatever you want, a notebook, pens, pencils, whichever you want with the discount code. As you see, I'm doing the same thing, dabbing, and I'm layering the leaves on top of each other, and this is creating a sense of depth, and it makes the napkins get lost into the scenery completely. And I'm using this very old sticker set that has alphabet and has a summer theme from Eco Park, I think, but I'm pretty sure it's not available because I bought this years ago as well. I strongly encourage everyone anyway to use their stash. We have way too many things that we bought and accumulated over years, I'm sure. So I'm just cutting this part of the sticker to make a sign and putting the sentiments that I found in the set as if they are signs, and I chose sentiments of summer, like signs of summer, sizzling, catching rays. And to make it more prominent, I'm using my black marker to go around the stickers and make them more visible from the background. As you see, the napkin is completely got lost. A simple act like using the same stencil and different colors over and over made it look like a jungle scene, and gave it a depth. As a final touch, I'm going to use yellow acrylic paint. I watered down and I'm making some splashes to add some brightness. Maybe it's not showing so well in camera, but in real life it really looks nice. I'm finished with this super simple and nice looking project. I hope you liked it. It's very suitable for beginners as well. Don't forget to like, comment or subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!